In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an album from Google Photos. Deleting an album is a straightforward process. However, it is important to understand that this action only removes the album itself. The actual photos and videos inside it will remain in your Google Photos library. This means you can keep your memories even if you no longer want the album organization. Only the person who created the album has the authority to delete it. So let's dive into the steps for deleting an album, starting with mobile devices. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android or iPhone/iPad. You will see a clean interface with your photos prominently displayed. The app's design makes it easy to navigate through your albums and collections. In this step, you are preparing to access the Albums section where all your created albums are stored. This is the first crucial action in the deletion process. Once the app is open, you will feel confident in managing your albums and keeping your library organized. Next, tap on the Collections tab at the bottom of your screen. This section displays all your photo collections and albums. It serves as a hub for all your visual memories. Tapping on Collections allows you to see every album you've created, making it simple to find the one you want to delete. This organization is important because it helps you quickly locate specific albums, saving you time and effort. Once you are in the Collections section, you are just a few taps away from completing this task. After that, tap on Albums to view your album list. Here you will see all the albums you've organized. Each album represents a collection of photos and videos you may want to group together. This view is essential for selecting the correct album for deletion. You can take a moment to scroll through your albums to ensure you have the right one in mind. This step matters because it prevents accidental deletions, keeping your valuable memories intact. Now, open the album you wish to delete. As you tap on the chosen album, you will see all the photos and videos it contains. This is where you can review your collection one last time before proceeding. It helps to double-check that this is the album you no longer want. Once you confirm this, you can move on to the next step knowing you are making the right choice. Next, tap the More icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. This menu gives you additional options for managing your album. It is a small but powerful feature that provides quick access to essential actions. Choosing the More option is necessary for accessing the Delete feature. This makes it easy to navigate and perform tasks without cluttering the main interface. From there, tap Delete Album. A confirmation message will pop up, ensuring you really want to delete the album. This safeguard is important because it prevents accidental deletions. It gives you a moment to reconsider your choice. If you are sure you want to proceed, you can continue to the final confirmation step. Finally, tap Delete to confirm your action. Once you've done this, the album will be removed, but the photos and videos will still be available in your Google Photos library. This ensures that while the album is gone, your precious memories remain intact. You will see a confirmation message indicating the successful deletion. This simple process helps keep your Google Photos organized and clutter-free, making room for new memories. Now let's cover the process for deleting an album on the web. First, go to photos.google.com and sign in. This step is crucial as it ensures you are accessing your own account. Once you are signed in, you can manage your albums from a larger screen, which can be more comfortable for some users. Next, open the album you want to delete. Similar to the mobile app, you will see all the photos and videos within that album. This visual confirmation is vital because it allows you to double-check before deletion. It is always a good idea to confirm you have selected the correct album. After that, click the More icon in the top right corner. Just like in the mobile app, this icon provides additional options. It's a consistent feature across platforms, making it easier to navigate. This familiarity can help you feel more comfortable using Google Photos, regardless of the device. Next, click Delete Album. A confirmation box will appear, prompting you to confirm your decision. This step is designed to protect your content from accidental loss. It's always better to double-check before finalizing any deletion. Finally, click Delete to confirm your choice. The album will now be deleted, while the photos and videos remain in your Google Photos library. This ensures your memories are preserved. You will see a confirmation message, giving you peace of mind that the process was successful. Deleting albums can help streamline your organization, allowing you to focus on the memories that matter most to you.